Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting YouTube video. Today in this video I will show you how I can earn Ethereum coin every day without mining, without cards and without spend money on any hardware or software. If you have a computer or a laptop and also have an internet connection, so you can earn free Ethereum coin every day like to me. I have done all the research on the best Ethereum coin earning website. Finally today find out a real Ethereum based earning website where you can earn free Ethereum coin every day without deposit or spend your own money. If you are interested to earn free Ethereum coin every day, website link in the description below. Click on this link and create your account. How to register your account on this website? Follow me step by step. Before going to the video, kindly request to you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, get the instant notification from this YouTube channel. So let's begin. Click on the link in the description below. You will redirect on this website. Click on the register, put your email address, password and confirm password and register your account. This website send a confirmation link to your Gmail address. Open your Gmail account and click on the confirmation link, verify your account. After to do this, you are logged in your account. I have already an account on this website, just logged in. How to work on this website? Read out this instruction. Please click on the roll button to get your free Ethereum. The amount of free Ethereum that you get will depend on the number that you roll and paid out according to the payout table below. You can come back and play every hour to win additional free Ethereum each time. You would also get 50% of what your referrals get from us as well. This is a promo code. Check out the official Twitter page and find out a promo code and put here and you will get a chance to get free Ethereum in every 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And how to play this game? Just click on the button of this roll. The number can count. Verify the captcha. Verify this captcha. Bike. I think this. Okay, look at this amount I can earn. The question about this website: how to get paid from this site? You get paid Ethereum. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin, Ripple, Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. You will get paid to an Ethereum wallet. Where can I get an Ethereum wallet? You can get an Ethereum wallet in many websites, for example myetherwallet.com, blockchain.com and many other. You can use any wallet, Ethereum wallet with this site, even one from the exchange websites such as Binance and Coinbase. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, get the instant notification from this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.